Welcome to Montreal. It is 12:28 local time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Right now I am in Montreal, Canada at the airport. I'm about to leave out. I only have a 6-hour layover. The woman says she doesn't know if it's enough time, so I'm about to hurry up and try to look at these directions again. I already got my bus ticket, so stay tuned if you would like to see what you can do on a 6-hour layover in Canada. So this is the bus that it said I needed to take, so hopefully one will come up. I think it said in the next 3 minutes. Hopefully I don't get lost. All of my flights are connected to this one flight. I can't miss it. Does this go to downtown? This one, thank you. Oh.
Assurez-vous de le mettre sur l'étagère, s'il vous plaît.
It's been an eventful day already. I don't know where I'm going. I think somebody just got hit by a car. Oh, goodness. I don't know where I'm going. Let's hope this is the right one. Took me forever to find it. I hope I don't miss my flight.